The IPC stands saying that their demands are actually justified, and they have once and many before times they have tried to reach out to the Civil Aviation Minister. However, that has been without luck. And at the end of it, we also heard an apology to the passengers, but really is an apology enough? Because remember, it is the passengers who continue to pay the price for the standoff between the Air India management and the pilots. As the Air India strike enters its third day, inconveniencing the paying public even further, the real question being asked is, why isn't the concerned minister coming up with a permanent solution to deal with the fundamental problems afflicting Air India? Well, the airline has now stopped taking any fresh bookings for about 15 international ultra-long-haul flights till the 13th. Passengers won't be able to book tickets for travel dates between the 10th and the 13th. Bookings for 15 long-haul flights have also been suspended. The third day of the pilot strike today saw 20 cancellations of both international and domestic flights. Meanwhile, Union Aviation Minister Ajit Singh has expressed helplessness, saying that if the pilots are not listening to the court, how will they listen to him? Well, several opposition leaders, meanwhile, are in fact targeting the minister, saying that even if he manages to get the pilots on board, the problem will continue to fester, only to surface at a later date. The minister is now under fire to act on his own threat, which is to downsize Air India. Well, on the back of the strident criticism, pressure is now mounting on the aviation minister to seize the moment and take some hard decisions.
Air India has huge assets. I think all the assets must be, they've got really great land and assets. They should all hive off all the assets into a separate entity, sell off those assets and give a golden handshake and reduce the number of employees, so that the large number of low-paid employees, they don't come to grief, and then, keep a lean operating company and then privatize it.
So while the minister dithers and looks to the soft and short-term option of negotiating with the pilots, passengers are feeling betrayed.
कुछ इन्होंने कोई वादा नहीं किया, अंदर जाके बैठ जाते हैं और कोई वादा नहीं कर रहे। बताया काफी देर तक मीटिंग चल रही, बहुत लोग परेशान रहे, बहुत लोग चले गए वापस, लेकिन कोई भी उन्होंने हमें 12 बजे का टाइम है, इसमें पक्का नहीं देगा। हम लोग की फ्लाइट थी 931 8:55 पे थी रात में, वो कैंसिल हो चुकी है। उसके बाद कौन सी फ्लाइट है हम लोगों को कोई पता नहीं है।